Dear student, that we are going to discuss that chapter 6, that presentation software, and this is that for class 4. Chapter 6. First topic is here, that introduction about the PowerPoint. That we understand first what do you mean about the PowerPoint and where is the use of PowerPoint. PowerPoint is also that application software inside that MS Office package. PowerPoint facilitates us to create the presentation. That presentation we can use in our business, we can use in academic field, we can use in demonstration for a number of people, for showing something, for representing something, that we use usually PowerPoint. What is the purpose of PowerPoint, that we will discuss in this chapter, and all the options, all the facility, all the features that lie the same but little bit different, especially for a presentation point of view, that we will use here. So next is that presentation. What do you mean about the presentation, that we understand what is presentation. Presentation is a structural delivery of information. It is a systematic display of information along with graphics, movies and sounds, that you understand in such a way that presentation is actually used to represent some information with a number of people, page by page, and that in MS PowerPoint we will use this type of pages with the help of slides. So that you see here that three figures given, that first is that here seasons, second is that tips for life, and third is that computer system, that where we are going to demonstrate any topic, that we will use here presentation. We can use here graphics, we can use here animation, we can use here number of text, we can use here audio, we can use here our sound, that you have seen that many videos that I have already prepared for you all. That is also that one presentation, and this one also creating with the help of PowerPoint presentation. So now that you see at the bottom that one animation picture, clip art picture is there, and at the left side that content written, that is also picture of your textbook, and that my picture also capturing here. This is that with the help of presentation we are capable to do. Now we go for the next topic, that is presentation contains the number of slides. That as we have discussed, what is slide, that in a presentation whatever page appearing and containing the information in the form of audio, text, visual, animation, movie, so whatever that contains that particular individual page in presentation is known as slide. The slide show, what do you mean by slide show? That means presentation we are going to show in the big screen. So it is an electronic presentation displayed on the computer screen. We can use projector also to display on the bigger screen. We can use smart board also. We can use our smart board for displaying the presentation for a number of people. And in a seminar also, you have also seen that in your smart board, smart class, that one big screen, that one big board is there, and we are displaying here the presentation. Next is here that how to start the PowerPoint. Like the MS Word, it's very simple. Like the MS Word, we can use, click on start button, go to all program, then Microsoft Office, and then you choose Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. So you can, as we have done Microsoft PowerPoint, we have to choose, and we are doing that MS Word also like the same. So after choosing the Microsoft PowerPoint, that you will see that the first screen will visualize like this. So appearance is different, and that you see here that main three sections are here on the screen, and all the components of the name of given here, that like the quick access toolbar like MS Word, title bar also, minimize, maximize and close button, ribbon also like MS Word, left side left panel, that slides are also there showing, and here one placeholder for this containing the text, and at the bottom click to add some notes, something we can write there. This is that screen of the Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, Now we go for that next, that is here screen element descriptions. What do you mean about the title bar? Like the same, so title bar is used to display the name of the presentation, okay, along with that application name, presentation, PowerPoint. Quick access toolbar, like the same, that quickly some common task we need to do, that we can use quick access toolbar. Usually we do save, undo and redo, that's why these three buttons are available here. Next is that ribbon. Ribbon contains two parts, that tab and group. Each and every tabs containing the different group, and each group containing that related commands there. So we are familiar with this, so we will use this one. File tab is also like the same as MS Word we have discussed. So file tab is also used for that performing some operations related to file, that means related to presentation file, that we want to create the file, new one to create, you want to save the file, you want to close the file, that means presentation. These all things we can do with the help of file tab. Now status bar also showing that which number of slide you are working and how many total slides available. And here also showing that zoom button, that means zoom in, zoom out we can do. And before that, 4 forms of there, that is showing here that in which way you are going to show slide. So we can do here also, and this displays current slide, and we can use the view button for displaying our slides, so displaying our presentation. Ruler as usual, horizontal or vertical ruler for adjusting our object in the slide at particular place, we can adjust with the help of ruler. Placeholder is that holder that holds the object, and placeholder is used for the text also, picture also, chart also. Any clip we can use with the help of placeholder. We can resize with the help of placeholder. We can increase the size, we can decrease the size, we can adjust according to placeholder handler button. Next is that slide. Slide is as a page of the presentation that is used to represent some content, some information in the form of text, in the form of audio, in the form of video. We can use these all things. Now we go for the next slide, that how to create the new presentation. So when we are going to create a presentation, what is there? That first of all, we are going to create the presentation, that is blank presentation we can use. We can use a recent template if we have done, and simple templates available in a PowerPoint. Templates means predefined styles, design, format, all the things are already available. You have to use only, you have to change the content, you have to place your text, you have to place your pictures and animation, graphics, video, all the things will be available as usual. Theme you can apply for all the slides. It's a very easy, like that MS Word, we are creating the new file. Here we are creating the blank new presentation. Click on File tab, then go for New option, and you will get that blank presentation screen that we will choose and create. So then we will get that our blank presentation like this. So here in this screen that you see, click to add text, that you can add here the text, and below that title or subtitle you can put here that, and we can choose the shortcut key also, Control N, to create the new blank presentation. Okay. Now, so adding the text in the slide in such a way that you will get the placeholder. In the placeholder, you will click inside that placeholder, you will get the cursor, and you will write here the type as here given, seasons of our country, that you can type related topics that we are going to create the presentation. That related topic and subtitle, like that presentation created by Sanjeev sir, like that you can give also your name. And after that you will put their next slide, and you can add their pictures, audio, video, whatever you want. But text easily you can add here by click on so placeholder, and you can apply here the text. Okay. Next is here that how to save the presentation. After creating the presentation, we need to save the file, and as MS Word we have to save. So click on the File tab, then choose the Save option, and then save as dialog box will appear, and you have to type here that you see in this right side picture that in file name that you have to write here the file name. So after that you have to click on the save button, and that automatically it will be added the .pptx PowerPoint presentation. So that X is that 2010 version, that's why, but PPT is that added to .pptx is that extension of presentation file that will be added automatically. We don't need to write, we don't need to type .pptx. We have to only type our name and we have to click on save button, and you will get that one file is created at that particular location we are going to save. Next is that how to close the presentation. So like MS Word also, it is also very easy. Click on the file tab, then choose the close option, and you will get that one dialog box. If you have not saved, first time you are going to close, so if unsaved the file, that it will ask you by showing the dialog box with the 3 button, that save, don't save and cancel. Save button, that you will click on save and it will ask your name, so file name you have to specify, and that will be saved. If you don't want to save the file, choose the don't save button and your file will not be saved. If you want to cancel, so if you will cancel, you will choose this dialog box will disappear and you will come to the presentation again to work, come back to the presentation. Next is that how to exit from Microsoft PowerPoint. You do understand that first thing, how to close the presentation, how to exit from the PowerPoint. When you are going to exit from the PowerPoint, that you have to choose exit option from the file menu. Close means PowerPoint presentation file will be closed, but PowerPoint application will be open. But when you will choose exit PowerPoint, so that means you are going to close the application also as well as your file also. Both will be closed. So that means exit we choose when we are going to close our application, and close we choose when we are going to close our file, presentation file. Okay. Now we go for the next option, that is how to open existing presentation. That means how to open old presentation that is already created. Like the same in MS Word, we have opened the file that we can open here the presentation. Click on the file tab, then choose the open option, and you will get that one dialog box. You will choose here the name of the file and click on that open option. Otherwise you have to type the file name and that you have to open that file. Then you will get that file appeared. Now next is that slide layout. So layout means what? Layout is the method of arranging the things or object on the slide. Layout generally consists of placeholder with the different objects of text. Like that, layout provide the facility to different pro forma, that different design of that slides. That right side you want to put picture, left side you want to text, left side you want to put picture, right side you want to text. So whatever you want, that placeholder available there, and you can easily click on that placeholder and you can add their content. You can add their titles, body text, bullet list, pictures, tables, chart, etc. according to your choice. So we can choose slide layout so as we need. So designs available in the picture that you can see which type of slide we want to create, and you can create one. So slide layout provide the facility of different slides. So here types of different slide layouts. So title slide, that one first one. Next is a section holder. So title and content, to content means both side you have to type, both side you have to text. You can put text, you can put pictures, you can put many graphics and animations. So as a format, pictures if you need, so pictures you can choose. If you need blank completely, so you want to do all the things, so you choose blank slide layout. So that will be provide the facility to create the presentation in a better way. Now next is that how to insert the new slide. So new slide we can insert by clicking on home tab, and when you will choose new slide, you will get that blank slide, but you will get that options to choose the which type of slide layout you want to insert. How to insert the picture? It's very easy. So pictures are of two types we can create and we can insert in a slide layout. First is that clip art, second is from file. If you want to put there some artistic, some cartoon type of pictures, small photographs, that you can use clip art. Related to topic you can choose, you can click on that. But if you want to put pictures you have captured from the camera, from the mobile phone, or your picture you want to put, that you choose pictures from file. So now from the clip art, how can we choose the pictures that we understand? Click on the insert tab. So in a ribbon that you will choose that clip art option in image group, and you will see there right side one slide, right hand side one image will appear like this. You see that here, that's showing that this type of image you will see, and this will appear, and here you have to type that file name and it will appear. So pictures like this, and you have to choose their pictures, and that pictures will available, and automatically you have to insert it. You have to adjust the picture and you have to choose that you have to use in slides. Now we go for that. Next, how to insert the pictures from file. So you have to use this option, and then you can click pictures by the browser. With the help of that this browser dialog box, you will get that pictures list of the pictures you can open, and you can choose that pictures particular one and click on the insert that will appear on your slide. So pictures you can use also from your computer, from mobile phone, or from your camera. How to view a slideshow? That means after creating the presentation, we can choose that to see our presentation, our all slides on the big screen. So when after completing that, you have to steps you have to follow. Slide layout, slideshow tab, from the beginning you have to choose and start slideshow group. In this way your slide will appear on the screen in a bigger way, and you will get that. So like that I am showing here, and I have this demonstrated. Now we go for that question answer round, that is here. That first is that exercise section A. Question is that identify the icon used to insert a new slide in a presentation. Answer will be this one. The C number option is the answer. Next is that identify the icons used to insert pictures from a file in a presentation. That answer option is A. So you all will write that answers, all question answer, all section A, section B, all in your copy. Only answer option you write, draw the picture, draw the image. If you here as an answer image they are given. So only for few questions you have to draw the pictures like that, small pictures as an answer. Next is that, so multiple choice question MCQ. Who gave the idea of PowerPoint? Bob Joskins. Next, that second number, dash is the structured delivery of information, that is as I think presentation. So dash is the method of arranging the objects on a slide, that is layout. Layout is the options. Okay, so A number option is answer of third one. Now question answer. What is a slide? I have given that answer in one word that you can learn easily. Slide is a page in a presentation which is used to represent the information in the form of textual, audio, visual, and animations. Okay, so you can pause, you can write in your copy, and you can learn. So if any doubt you can comment, you can ask, you can give the message. Okay, now the second question is, what happens when you try to close the Microsoft PowerPoint 2010 without saving the file? I have given the answer that you write. So when we try to close the PowerPoint without saving the file, it displays a dialog box with the three options: save, don't save, and cancel. Save to save the file, don't save to avoid the saving the file, cancel to return our presentation without saving it. Now we move for that next question. That is, what is the slideshow? Write the steps to view a slideshow. I have given very simple answer for you all. So you all write this. This is answer very easy. Only two steps given here. Slideshow is an electronic presentation displayed on the computer screen. There are some steps to view the slideshow. Click on the slideshow button. Click from the beginning option and start slideshow group. Now you will get here that full screen presentation. Now next question is question number 4. Write the steps to insert the pictures from the clip art. At first I have defined here the clip. If you want to write that, this first line you can write as you want. If you don't need, so you can't, no problem. So answer is there. Clip is a single media file including picture, sound, animation or movies. There are following steps to insert pictures from clip art. Click on the insert tab on the ribbon. Click clip art from the image group. Then clip art task pane appears on the right hand side of the window. We type the name of the picture in search box and click on the pictures you want. If you want, that picture gets inserted on the slides. Question number 5. Now application based question number 1. So Rima wants to make a presentation on the save trees, but she does not know how to save the text, how to add the text. Suggest her the steps to add the text in her presentation. In a very easy way, I have given that you write these answers. Second also application based question. This answer also you write, so that will be easier for you. Now next is that, so this is the end point. So my dear, thank you to you all. Okay, so thank you my dear students. If any doubt you can comment and you can inform to your other classmates also. If any doubt you can comment and I will try to solve the answer. You message me